To inspect or replace the air filter on your P2500iEBT generator, follow these steps. Ensure the generator is on a flat and level surface. First, remove the maintenance cover and locate the airbox. Next, route the fuel hoses away from the airbox. Then, clean the area around the airbox thoroughly. After this, remove the screw from the front of the airbox cover and remove the cover. Then, remove the air filter and inspect for any damage or excessive debris, and replace as needed. If reusing the air filter, submerge the filter in a solution of warm water and household detergent. Squeeze out the excess water after soaking. Repeat several times until the water coming from the filter is clean. Once completely dry, apply air filter oil to the foam filter and distribute evenly. Remove any excess oil and replace if any damage occurs to the filter. Then, clean the inside of the airbox and cover thoroughly. Next, reinstall the air filter and the airbox cover, ensuring a proper seal, and tighten the fasteners until fully seated. Then, reroute the fuel hoses back to their designated holes at the bottom of the generator. Lastly, reinstall the maintenance cover by aligning the bottom tabs and pivoting in to align the mounting holes. Then, install the fasteners and tighten until fully seated. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit polarispower.com.